In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error from Monster Hunter World. There are two different working methods, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is go into search, type in CMD for command prompt, right click on this and hit run as administrator. Once you have done this, you want to type in sfc space / scan now, all one word, and then hit enter. So what this does, this will go through your entire system and scan for any files that are corrupted, and it will automatically remove them and then replace it with a working file. This will take a couple of minutes to complete, but after you have done it, reboot your computer and start the game again to see if that fixed the issue. If it didn't fix the issue, move on to method number 2. Method number 2, I'll put a link in the video description below. But it will bring you to this page. On the left hand side of this page, you're going to see a download button. Click on that. Once you have downloaded it, you will see a zip file that looks something like this. You can right click on this and hit extract all, and it will bring you to this kind of folder. When you open this folder, on the very top you're going to see a file called install_at.bat. Double click on this and this will install all of these executables one by one, which is exactly what you want. This should fix the issue. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.